body time here at Unique, especially in classics. Early one too. Notice the 4 eyes up there. 1984 Ford Mustang convertible, powered by the 3.8 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with a C5 automatic transmission. Has had a repaint along the way. It is medium canyon red metallic with the canyon red vinyl interior and low bucket seats, low back bucket seats. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC, although I've not had the AC compressor kick on and off, but it has been switched to the 134 switch from R12. You can see the paint shows nice on this one. You can check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Kind of a nice classic you can get into without breaking the bank too. Price very reasonable. Owners of this brought it to us to represent it on consignment for them and priced it to sell, no doubt about that. As you can see, there's that canyon red vinyl interior. Looks like it could easily be original as far as the carpeting and the vinyl seats. Dash is not cracked. Nice condition for an 84. It does have a white vinyl top, power top. Looks like it could also be the original possibly on the top. And we're going to run that up at the end of this video here. And you can also see it in the still pictures from every angle and with the top up. And another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's also going to come with the car cover, and then there's also the package that the parade boot or the vinyl convertible top cover will go in, fold it up, put it in the trunk. That will also be with it. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a peek up and down the driver's side here. A closer look at the interior, rear seating area. Free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Same as the driver's seat. Door panels, and there you can see the power window, power lock switches. Nicely equipped car on the inside. AM, FM cassette player with an amp. And all that is in working order, as well as the wipers. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Here's the gauges, they're all working. Also, oil pressure gauge going up, fuel gauge comes up some. That one's moving and working. It was a cold start, so I don't expect the engine temp to be up. Amp meter. Again, here's that AM FM stereo with cassette. The cassette player even works. Also have an amp pull down here. That is also working. Of course, the clock and your warning indicators down there for low fuel, taillight, washer type of thing. Which you see on the early Foxes. Not even cracked above the speaker on the dash. What you'd expect out of 3.8. Nice fun convertible to cruise in, like I said, without spending the huge money that the GTs and the SVOs and some of those are bringing. Have a little fun. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, let you take a peek at the engine bay, and then we'll check out that convertible top, wrap up this video. And here's that engine bay. What you'd expect, pretty stock looking. Again, you can see it has been converted, the label on it from the R12. Power steering, power brakes, 3.8 liter. Alright, so there's the engine bay. One last pause. I'm going to close up the hood and get that top up for us to check out.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the top up. First off, nice tight fit above the windshield there. White vinyl. Power functions as it should. As you can see, vinyl free of rips, tears, holes. Gonna keep you dry if need be. Rear glass window, FYI. Slip around to the passenger side here, also free of rips, tears, or holes. There you have it. 84 four-eyed fox Mustang convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.